Good evening, friends. I'm Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Yes, friend. Today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today. That is 23rd of June, Thursday, second last weekly expiry of this month, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow. That is 24th of June, Friday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the European indices, Germany is trading in red. All the indices are down. If we talk about France, all the indices are down by more than 0.5%. Similar is the case with UK. All the indices are trading in red. If we talk about China, China closed in good green. All the indices were up by more than 1%. In fact, one index was up close to 1%. If we talk about US and US, we are seeing a very flattish start. Dow Jones is down by 0.58%. Nasdaq is almost flat. S&P 500 is down by 0.4%. So it looks like US markets are taking a pause. Let's go to the FIDI data for today. FIs were net sellers. They have sold for 2,319 crores. DIs were net buyers. They have bought more than what FIs have sold, 2,438 crores. So we have seen a lot of volatility today. So what happened? We opened uh, slight gap up, 38 points gap up, and then there was a sharp up move. And you can see how trend lines work. So from here you can see the trend line was coming, and from there the market has exactly reversed, and then it has taken the bottom. It has formed at a bottom, and then it has exactly taken the support from the previous day low, and then from the low it again touched close to 15,600 and then closed at 15,556. So as of now it looks like a triangle is getting formed. Let's see whether market breaks this tomorrow or not. So it looks like market is trying to make a big move. So the levels for tomorrow would be, the first resistance for the market would be 15,620. So 15,620, then followed by 15,700, and then 15,820. Talking about the support, the first support is 15,500, followed by 15,430, and then 15,380. So these are the support for tomorrow. If this is broken, then 15,250 is on the cards. Let's go to the option chain. On next week option chain, I can say data is not much, but on a broader range I can say 15,000 will act as a support and 16,000 will act as a resistance. So bank nifty, today bank nifty was also very volatile. A lot of people have uh, you know kind of encashed this opportunity because it was a very volatile move. So if you have captured one volatile move, then you must have made good amount of profit, and if you have captured both, then of course you might be lucky enough to have a bag full of money. So let's go to the levels. As of now, what we can see in bank nifty is a channel is getting formed just like nifty. However, it is not a very perfect channel, I would say, but in nifty we saw a very perfect channel. So for Bank Nifty, we closed at 33,135. So for first resistance is 33,200, then 33,400, and then 36,000. On the support side, the first support comes at 33,000, followed by 32,850, and then 32,550. So these are the levels which we need to look for in Bank Nifty. And of course, these trend lines you can make and draw the levels. If this trend line is broken, then of course there will be a good move either ways. If it breaks upward, then of course upward move, and then if it breaks downward, then of course a downward move. So let's go to the option chain of bank nifty. As I can say, the data is less for this week, but of course it will start developing. So on a broader range, 32,500 is a good support for the market, followed by resistance at 34,000. So that's all for this video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.